every company has to deal with the state pollution control board. So there is a lot of monitoring. I think people feel that both in terms of investment, capital investment, and in running costs, it is just a non-productive asset, which I personally disagree, because we have been able to not completely monetize it, but it has not been a 100% expense, so to speak. I think
there is a return.
There is some return. I will not say that there is viability, but there is some return.
Yeah, but so also you can't fix a cost to the cost of polluting the environment.
Correct. And that's the larger picture one has to. So at what cost? That what cost answer, the cost is now much lower than what people imagine it to be. If you do a good implementation.
But you see the awareness increasing in the public sector, the government, the departments, the bureaucrats.
I'll just give you our own example in Orissa. The neighboring factories are still dealing with a lot of public backlash because of the quality of water that they are releasing. Whereas our water is, if you take it in a glass of water, it's crystal clear, and we've laid about a 8-9 kilometer pipeline. We've done hydrographic surveys. We've seen the dilution factor. We've implemented the law. We've got permissions from the CRZ from Delhi. We've done everything that the law demanded us to do, and therefore we have a very, very harmonious relationship with our environment. And that is the lack of sleepless night. You can't put a number on, right? So you have to eventually value what you want to achieve. Of course, price and cost has to be affordable. It is, with all due respect, it is not a cheap equipment to put, but there is a purpose for it, and until there is a massive change in technology, the current technology is there to solve the existential problem that we have today. They are government, quasi-government, state government, the central government, whatever it is, but finally there is somebody monitoring the water, and they are all. So in my mind, going forward, this is definitely going to be a major requirement for investment to try and improve the quality of water that is released. Moreover, recycling of water also is going to be quite challenging. I mean, certain places that we also buy water from, the cost of recycling and cost of buying fresh water is more or less the same. So that also is becoming a reality, especially for industry. And going forward, you are going to see a lot more. I mean, we have social accountability audits from Walmart and likes of such, and they see all of this. They see what our efforts in renewables is, they see what our efforts in wastewater treatment is, in air pollution, sound pollution, everything.